Okay, so here is wireless microphone test. Outside, experimenting with distance. That's my honey Stacy in front of me. She has a microphone on as well. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey. So we're
it's
going
not
to
windy at all where we are here. We got a lot of tree cover, but we're just going to take a walk towards the back or the front bush of the house, whatever you want to call it. Depends on which way you're facing, I suppose. So my microphone is clipped on my toque. I'll just show this here for a sec if you can see it. There, so it's not going to get rumbly and bumped into. Tell us a little story, hon.
Tell you a story?
What were you doing in here yesterday?
Well, what we're doing here, my honey's been cutting down buckthorns and I've been making piles. And then what I do is I drag those piles in the sled is what I did. And over here, there was 8 piles of branches that I had broken down, and I dragged them.
You can see where the microphone is there.
So I have yet to break these down and then truck them back. And the sled's great. It just pulls so easy. It's so nice.
I'll walk over this way.
Yes.
And I think if we could get a good bit apart, then we can test out the distance of these things. I'm not looking for prime audio quality here, just decent audio quality.
There's a lot of down stuff I've got to break into small and make piles and drag away.
Some dead trees here.
Taking down dead trees.
Yeah. You want to stay in this part and I'll go wandering?
Sure.
Okay. So, got the camera on wide angle here to give a better sense of distance from when we are apart. So say something.
Hello, hello, hello.
There she is over there, way over
Hi.
there. We're looking probably 50 feet. I'm going to go a little bit further. I'm going to go down in what used to be the ditch on the old road bed. There's another pile of broken up sticks. Okay, so we're well over 100 feet away now. Say hi.
Hi, honey.
Say something.
Hi, hello. This is Stacy.
So nobody's shouting. Cool. So I don't want to make this video go too long. Keep talking, baby.
I think we should go back this way.
Okay.
Come back along the old road bed.
Oop.
And we'll
treacherous.
cut in under the big trees. Very magical.
Here we are coming out of the woods, out of the ditch. I went down in the ditch.
Down in the ditch.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to hit stop now. I think we've got all the testing we need to do here.